Good afternoon. My name is Leider Guevara, and this is my presentation in Brexit. Samuel is my best friend. He is a good person. He likes to serve others. He is also very patient. He is very passionate about entrepreneurship and nature. He likes initiatives that help him grow as a person and a better citizen, as a good servant of God. Not he likes to do bad things, rather he likes to do everything that pleases God. He cares about and strengthening his friendships with God and like to get closer to him every day. Samuel is very passionate about the sea and its landscape. He likes to be loving, is very disciplined. In his spiritual world as child, he could play with his siblings and friends, spend a lot of time with his family, enjoy good time at school. And as an adult, he can no longer play or share with his siblings as he used to do to the responsibility he has with God and with his home, but is he can balance his time with working, he serve good and share with his family. He can also decide to be a happy person by having healthy habits. Therefore, he cannot have sex with alcohol or participate in parties that do not please. He cannot celebrate churches, Christmas and birthdays, nor can he get involved in politics. He can enjoy pleasant moments with his friends, eat well and practice sport, and one of he likes the most is soccer, clearly in due time and moment, as well as serving good from the heart and being happy forever. Thank you.